Please, what do you feel here now?
Oh, it's a bit strange for me. It's my first time to have experience of this kind of life. So, yeah, but I'm not really anxious.
I know, because you are from Germany and your name is?
Martina.
Martina, oh Martina, it's so calm. Okay, Martina, how many trains did you use? How often you go by trains?
Yeah.
It's not your first.
No. I use the train very often, very regular.
In Germany?
Yes, of course.
Tell us the difference between trains in Poland and in Germany.
Oh, it's very comfortable.
In Poland?
Yes, of course. The journey from Berlin to Warsaw was very, very comfortable, very clean, very good service. I'm really satisfied.
But Zurich is not so nice.
But this kind here is really special. So maybe if you have to go by time, so it would be a problem.
It's I think a very new experience for you.
Yes, of course.
In Poland, in Polish ground, yeah.
It's maybe typical or normal situation.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay. No, of course, no. I'm Polish, I'm patriot. What about passengers? They are nice?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. I think we are sitting with Russians.
With Russians?
Yes, here in the sixth.
What is the main subject of conversation? Of course, war.
War?
You are talking about war?
Not.
Why?
We are talking about music.
Music.
Yeah, because
German and Russian are talking about music.
Yes.
Now.
Of course. Now, yeah.
Thank you very much. Gracias.
You're welcome.
Gracias, spasiba. Danke.
Yeah.
Danke, Martina.
안녕하세요. Yeah.
Thank you.